For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Hagapor men-step Menteri Rangba ulalit banjurip ya ke Polo Mall keberang sidap tei hapo jang ke Smart City Project. Bagajing shna kene ke mall keladap bagi kam kijam kelihat caprang na kebenta ban IY kidukan keberan na kene ke mall. Keberan ru ikejaka na kebenta kikam penbernya jakabam bat kidukan di kijing dia beper. Menteri Rangba ulalit ru banjurip ya ke Riverfront Development Project Apollo pada ulang bagani ke project kalong ke Bekongsan dan ke Bapai Kemat Syam kajing long ke Mariang kajing peniak cekmat gikam ban internet ke social long bat nak benta ban penolong ya ke National Games Hajar Punyo ke Bansawan. Ulapan pau kajing kermen ban lak ban pendap no ya ke wat ke Benengkong jong kajing teh harut jong kawa bat ke Bekam Kongsan kedai kajing pen kuat ya kawa bat ke wat ke baar on sepen kelai kene ke jaka ban bo ikidukan jaga bam jaga yang kali hostel bat kiwe-kiwe. Menteri Rangba ula kentui kinong syong-syong kejela bani senok ketilang bat ke sorkar haga ban penek ke jengkuat jang kuwa umkra bat bani terilang ban penur long ya katong kaba kidon lang khaju.
We have come here today in Polo area to inspect the work of the Polo Mall under the Smart City as well as the Riverfront Development Project, which is funded by the state government. And as you can see, the work for the Polo Mall is complete, and now we are under the process of renting out or leasing out the different shops that are there, and we are hopeful that within the next couple of months a few of the shops and areas will be active. There is space for entertainment center, there is space for food court, and there are very large shopping areas and even commercial areas for organizations that wish to have their space there. I'm very happy to see the work in the Polo Mall come up very fast, and as I said, within the next couple of years, couple of months, we should be able to get the rooms and the place active. In regards to the Riverfront project, again, this is one of the very important projects for us, keeping in mind again the overall beautification of Shillong and the National Games, which is coming up in 2027. There are two parts to this particular project. One is the development of the riverfront in terms of the infrastructure, and also the overall cleaning up of the river itself. So we are very keen to do both. Today we have come to inspect the infrastructure development work, and it's going on at very fast pace, as you can see. And we expect that by the end of this calendar year or early next calendar year, hopefully within the financial year of 2025-26, we should be able to complete this first phase of the riverfront. We have a second phase also that's coming up, where we will be building up more areas for smaller shops and eateries, as well as some parking space and some space for people to stay in, more like a hostel area where sports people can come and stay here, and this can become kind of a area for sports training, especially high altitude training. So all of these projects are going on, so I'm very happy to see the progress, and I'm hopeful that, as I said, within the next 8 to 12 months, we'll see this entire riverfront come up very, very well. And but at the same time, I do urge that the riverfront without the river being clean is going to be meaningless. And therefore, I urge the citizens, the local Dorbar, the headmans, and the society at large to work together with the state government to ensure that we are able to keep our rivers clean. This requires the participation of the people, especially the residents, and we will be working very closely with them to ensure that this target also is achieved.